Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, enable your phone hotspot, and pick 5 GHz when possible because it reduces interference and increases speed. Once done, restrict background apps on the phone so bandwidth is dedicated to gaming. Make sure your Xbox has forgotten older networks and is set to scan for Wi-Fi now. This forces a fresh connection negotiation. You do this because a clean state avoids stale IP conflicts and prioritizes the new hotspot for a stable session. Next, optimize the signal and network settings. Place the phone within 1 to 2 meters of the Xbox and remove physical obstructions to lower packet loss. Then switch your phone briefly to airplane mode and re-enable the hotspot only. This clears cellular radio noise and forces a fresh cell tower registration. On the Xbox, assign a static IP and set fast, public DNS servers to reduce lookup delays and improve stability. Together, these steps lower latency and make packet delivery more reliable for online play. To finish, verify the connection by running Xbox network diagnostics and checking NAT type. You want open or moderate for best matchmaking. If Wi-Fi hotspot performance is still patchy, try USB tethering for lower latency, or use a small travel router to create a more robust local network. If things go wrong, reboot both the phone and console and switch cellular bands or locations. This often fixes carrier-side routing issues. You do these final checks because they expose bottlenecks and give reliable fallback options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.